Hello all, thanks again for joining me today. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do this old school trending gele. Very simple, elegant. When you walk to your party, everybody will be noticed. I want to welcome our new subscribers. I want to say thank you. Welcome to the family. This is the family channel. And to all our subscribers, thanks for your continued support. Please don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and let us be friends on social media. So if you want to see how to tie your Owambe Gele old school, keep on watching. What I do is that I always pull my hair together. I use the scarf and I tie the scarf so that we'll be ready, set to go. And this is actually we are using today, and I've already created some plate. And I'm going to start from the front. I will put in a tempo of my head. I'm going to do 80-20 because I don't want it to be too long on my left side. I'm going to crisscross it at the back just like so. And I'm going to put a little shorter word down, and I'm going to start walking on the longer side. I'm going to twist it just like so, and I'm going to put it just like that. Make sure you didn't put it on top of each other. Make sure you put it slightly on top. If you have somebody to hold the gele, lucky you. If not, you just have to do the way I'm doing right now. So just twisted it. Make sure you twisted it. Crisscross it. I mean, not crisscross it, all the way to the other side. And after that, then you're going to do it all the way to the front, just like so. I'm sorry, I'm kind of close to the camera. I didn't realize that. So after that, what I do is that I didn't twisted it all the way. I just twisted it to the close to the front, so that way we can do the front up just like that. And I'm gonna tuck in the excess from my right hand. If you have somebody to hold it, you can pin it down, but I don't think I should need pin anyway. So, and we're gonna do the shorter one also. I'm gonna twist it and put it on top of the right one, and I'm just gonna tuck in just like so. Very simple. Like I say, it's not gonna take you time to do this. It's just fun old school comeback again that we are doing right now. Very simple. And just talking like that. But if you use a sego, you might need a pin. But I think a sego is very friendly than sego. We all know that. And after that, you just play with it. You see, it's done. This is it right here. Beautiful, beautiful. And just arrange it, push it. I mean, do anything just to fit your face to your taste. And this is it. I'm just going to play with it so that way. Make sure it's very tight. You don't want to be dancing at your function. You're going to be going back and forth to the bathroom. Make sure you arrange it. Make sure everything is secured if you use the pin. And if you use the pin, when you get back home later, please don't forget to take the pin out. Don't poke your fingers. I'm going to put my earrings on. And I'm using the long drop one, so I don't need to wear the chain or choker or anything like that. And this is it. Voila, we're done. This is it right here. It's very simple. It's very quick, and that anybody can do it. You don't need to look for makeup artists or somebody to do it. Very simple, but you need to practice, make perfect. And this is me, beautiful me. Yeah. I want to say thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and let us be friends on social media. Instagram is Ronke Beauty, Pinterest, Instagram, Snapchat is Ronke Beauty. And I will see you guys on the next video. May the Lord Jesus Christ continue to bless you and your household. Love you guys.